Hi folks. Well, we've been living here on Camiguin Island now for a little more than 2 years without an oven. And ovens are not that common, especially out here in this rural type area. Most people don't have them. They're common in the U.S. and other countries, but in the Philippines they're very uncommon. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff you can't make without an oven, and I have a little solar oven, but it's not the same, so we decided we were going to get a toaster oven. And this is what my wife bought last time she was in Cagayan de Oro. So I'm going to take it out of the box and look at it. I'm not gonna cook anything in it right now because it's probably 90 degrees right now, high humidity. It's very hot, and so cooking in that thing right now would not be a good idea. So there it is, and it's kind of small, but I guess it's big enough that we could cook a chicken in there if we wanted to, or something. Maybe even make chicken enchiladas, which I think I will do. So I'm going to make chicken enchiladas in the near future, and maybe I'll make a video about it. I just use canned enchilada sauce. I brought some with me from the USA, and so far I haven't used any because I had no real way to cook it. Anyway, so there we are, and I think my wife told me that this was 1,500 pesos, so that's about $30 US.